colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. And maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you don't know me by now, this is Mary at The Good Life with M. I will be showing you today how to make a cozy bed. Now this is something that I don't usually do on a daily, but when I want to feel a little bit extra, I tend to use a lot of pillows, a lot of fluff, and cozy blankets. So go ahead and sit back and I will show you what to do step by step. Okay, so I'm having my son help me, and we are using our fitted sheet and our pillowcases. I don't usually use the flat sheet because I don't know, it's just too much of a hassle and it ends up being crumpled on the floor, and I don't have any reason to use it other than it looking decorative, so I just kind of leave that out of the step. So here we are changing out the pillowcases, and we usually pick out neutral colors because it just looks a little bit more elevated, and you can easily just change the look with different colored pillows, blankets. At least you have a neutral base to work with. And then here he is putting a new duvet cover on our comforter. Again, I like duvet covers. You can use a comforter on its own, but I like duvet covers because you can change up the look as well. So here I'm going to be folding the top portion of the quilt over about 12 to 14 inches away from the top of the bed. And this kind of gives it a little bit of a layered look. And then you can see me here tucking in the edges underneath the mattress. Here I am laying my duvet cover on top. And again, I will be folding the top portion just a little bit below the quilt, so again, to give it that layered look. So I tend to use a lot of pillows, and here I'm laying 4 sleeping pillows, 2 for me and 2 for my husband. Believe it or not, I do actually use both. My husband once in a while who use both, but he's a one pillow kind of guy. Here I am laying in front of them my Euro pillows, and I'll use 3. I like to use the ones from IKEA because they're inexpensive and they're flexible. Now I'm putting on my decorative or throw pillows, and I'll tend to put those in between, kind of hide the spacing of the Euro pillows, and then I'll kind of fluff them up. And you don't necessarily need to chop it because you can actually just pick up the edges, and it'll kind of automatically do that inverted middle there. So next I'll be throwing on the blanket, quite literally, at the bottom edge of the bed, and it doesn't necessarily need to be the same size as my bed, but as long as it just kind of spans the whole width of the top. All right, I hope you liked that video and learned a little something. Now, I know some of you have queen or full-size beds. This particular bed is a king. Of course, for the king size bed, I use for sleeping pillows, the king pillows. For regular beds, standard, full, and twin, of course, you're gonna wanna use standard pillows. For the Euro pillows, these big guys here, I would knock down 1 pillow and use 2 if you have a queen or full. And then as far as these throw pillows, these little ones here, you can use as many as you want. I tend to follow the
the odd rule, so odd numbered pillows, but again, you know, it's just, you don't have to follow the rule, but to me it just looks better with odd numbers. If you haven't already, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And once you subscribe, please hit that notification bell at the bottom of my video somewhere, and you will see a new video from me every Sunday. So I hope to see you then. See you next Sunday. Bye.